everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of Discord. Here we go to settings. Here, this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Discord and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of storage you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.